Nature is the biggest inspiration for my art, and I love to mix it with fantasy elements. That's why I created 8 new handmade antlers out of plastic bags, wire, cold porcelain and creativity. So they will be part of my immersive installation art at Terra Azul Festival in the end of this year. And today I will show you all of them and bits of my creative process. They are ecological artworks and they are like semi-posable. If you want to know how I actually use plastic bags in this creation, I can show you a little bit of it. This is the structure of a horn and this is wire. I will twist the wire with the other wire here, like the bases. And then I will use the plastic bags and also twist and the wire structure. Then I will use masking tape to create the 3D structure of the horn before I use cold porcelain or flexible cold porcelain. That's really important because I want a light tiara with these horns or antlers. Also, this way I will be reusing plastic that otherwise would be in the oceans. So that's really awesome. My name is Gustavo Fleury. I'm a visual artist from Brazil and a digital creator. And I'm also the alchemist of Terra Tundra Portal of Magical Arts. I've already made many antlers and horns through my life. And yeah, this one here, for example, is called the Mycelial Mermaid photo shoot that I made with some friends. The model is my friend Karen and the photographer is Paola Coni. And in that day we made like this beautiful shoot with these fantasy elements. I also made the art direction for this photo shoot. I made the makeup, the hair, the accessories and the horn, as I said. And of course she's here with me. Say hello, baby. Aww. Okay, so now it's time to show you how I painted some of these deer antlers. First I sculpted it with flexible cold porcelain and after 2 or 3 days it was dried and then I really started painting. For that I used PVA paints to make this beautiful gradient with browns and lighter browns. It's really important to work with many layers if you want a similar result. Then I painted the tiara with black and waited until it was dried. Then I finished the painting using coffee to make these old ancient vibes. Some golden glitter. To finish everything, I used varnished seaweed. Finally, it's time to show you all my finished works. And I would love to know which ones was your favorite. So please drop your favorites here in the comments. As I'm using this one until now, so this will be the number one, of course. You can see better now with this light. And this is a little one, like I think it's the smaller from this collection. So time for the next one. Wow. This one is so big. It's huge. Look at it. It's white. I think it's somehow from the snow or maybe tundras or like very cold places. Maybe I'll do something like this because it's really big. But as you can see, it's semi-posable, so you can change bits and make it better in your head. Now time for the next one. This one even has like these cicada wings here attached to the horns. I'm really in love with this one. This is the number 3. Woo! What's that? Time for the next one. Oh my gosh! This one has even like little mushrooms attached to the horn, and they are of course also posable, so you can move them in your antlers. Deer antlers with fantasy elements, of course, because which deer has like mushroom growing. So if you want to know, they will be available next year when my Etsy shop is back, and of course my own online shop terratundra.net, something US. I'll drop here the link in the screen and also in the description of this video. So for now my shop is closed because I'm going to this festival and I really didn't have time to keep up with the orders and everything, and also I need my art to be with me for this festival. So that's why they will only be ready to ship in the next year when my store is back. And I ship worldwide. So now it's time for the next one. This one also has mushrooms, but they are a bit bigger, as you can see. Of course, semi-posable as well, so you can change the shape of it to make it more like you. That's why I love when I'm creating, and because that's part of my own art expression, but I also want my art to be part of other people's life. That's why you can change most of my creations. I make it possible because I want my art to be interactive. Yes. Okay, time for the next one. The last one with mushrooms. And this one is like, wow. I love this one so much. Look, it's black and has like this big and long and thin mushrooms, like blue ones. Look at this shape. I really love this one. I think it's one of my favorites. It seems like some kind of king of the mushrooms. Yeah, because this seems like a crown, right? And they are all posable. Look at this. I love this technique so much. I've been working on it for a long time. I mean, more than 10 years to get at this point of like flexibility and possibility. Do you want to see something interesting? Look, you can even do that, for example, or maybe that. That's amazing. I think this one is the number 6. If you liked it, please tell me in the comments. Time for the next one. This one is not exactly deer antler, and it has like this moon shape and all these details. Look, I think this one is pretty interesting. Actually, it seems like this girl hair. I think there is some kind of inspiration for these horns. Yay! And finally, time for the last one. The ones with floral energy, floral vibes. Ta-da! Look at this. Wow! It's so cute. I really love this one as well. Look at all those flowers and plants with this very earthy vibes and like more neutral color palette with browns and beiges and yellow and white, of course. This one is amazing. Okay, so that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited for this festival and also for this return of my online shops next year, because now I feel like I have a huge community here on YouTube since my last videos. A lot of new people are coming to my channel and I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am right now, because I'm reaching like this community of people that also loves art and creativity and nature and sustainable creations, and this is really inspiring. This is really inspiring to me. So that's it. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Please, only if you liked it. And subscribe to my channel because I really want to make more videos soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Terra Tundra, and on TikTok, the same name, Terra Tundra, because that's my art project, my art portal of imagination and elemental beings and magic. That's it. Bye!